I am Beth Ann Stone with the LMC Office of Planning and Institutional Effectiveness, and you are watching the instructional video for Learning Communities eLumen Program Review Year 5 Update, Publish and Submit. From the introductory video, you know how to access and log into your eLumen Program Review template to ensure that you've selected your appropriate role as department coordinator and identified your appropriate learning community for this Year 5 update. For the purpose of these instructional videos, I will use one of our pilot units, the Transfer Academy. You've identified strategic planning, you've gone to initiatives, and you've clicked on the link to open and view your learning community's Program Review Year 5 update in eLumen. I've gone through the instructional videos, I've reviewed the guide, I have completed my Program Review Year 5 update, and I'm ready to publish and submit. To do this, I use the scroll bar at the right-hand side of the screen. I scroll down, and I want to double check that my content has been entered, my Excel workbooks have been uploaded, and you can tell this because this file folder will be blue instead of black for Section 3. And for Section 4, you should see this color of the folder be turned to blue when your file or workbook has been successfully uploaded. Please note, we will not be entering or doing any resource allocations in eLumen. If you want to submit a RAP, please visit the Business Services Office website or the SGC website. Look for resource allocation to view the process forms and information on how to submit a RAP. Additionally, if you have previously received funding via the resource allocation process, you will be asked via email by the Business Services Office to describe how those resources allocated have supported you in achieving your program goals. Again, you will not be entering any information or submitting any resource allocation requests in eLumen. Please follow the college's process. So now I've ensured everything's been uploaded and everything's ready to go. I scroll back up to the top of my screen and I select Publish All. Now, if I'm not ready yet to submit it, I have some more edits I need to do and some more checking I need to do, or maybe I haven't uploaded my completed workbooks yet. I want to save all as draft. But this is the final video, so by now you should have completed your Program Review Year 5 update and you're ready to publish it by the identified deadline. I select Publish All, and this will publish my draft. And now I've submitted my program review. I want to download a copy of the report. I select this icon up at the top, says Strategic Initiative Report, and it will bring up a my Program Review Year 5 update in eLumen. I select Print, and I can either print it or I can select Save as PDF to save it to my computer. Once I've either printed or saved it appropriately, I select Save, and it will return me back to the previous screen. I select Back, and I'm back at my completed template. You have now published and submitted your eLumen Program Review Year 5 update for your learning community. Should you have any additional questions or issues, please feel free to contact me via email at brobertson@losmedanos.edu.